not talking to you.
He's looking down at you, fool.
Oh, yeah, that's my man right there.
You'd rather look at my shoes? Then take a look! I know exactly who you are, Hakoda of the
He
Water
does
Tribe.
know.
So strong-willed.
He is strong-willed.
But don't worry.
It's
We'll
just
get
a
rid of that in
hater.
time.
Yeah.
Now look
He has to
me
wear
in the
that
eye.
stupid bandana, so it's just like
You will all do as I say.
prison
Pay
and
the
military
price.
would not do
You
well
will
for me.
all-
Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry.
Okay, sir.
I
No.
was
I'm fine.
step back.
Get these prisoners out of my sight.
Ooh, I fell. I tripped. Oh, Sokka trips him too.
Now take
Thank
off the
goodness you're
mask.
okay.
It's time to-
If you take one step closer,
Sokka.
Yes.
okay, I am.
Sokka.
Dad, it's me.
Oh, Dad.
You should be more careful with that guard outfit.
Yeah, seriously.
I almost punched you in the gut. Yeah, I ran into that problem earlier.
So, did
So
you learn?
No. I mean, he did take it off quicker this time.
I guess.
No!
I didn't do anything wrong.
Come on, Zuko. We all know that's a lie.
May,
Great. Here we go.
can you be on our side for a second?
Drama.
Have you had enough time to think about what I asked? Yes. And you're right.
It was the butler.
There was another person involved in the escape plan. Who? It's a guy who's disguised like a prison guard. Only he's not a prison guard. He's the mastermind. He came up with the plan.
You could have said Prince Zuko.
I know, right?
All I get is a letter.
Oh.
You could have at least looked me in the eye when you ripped out my heart.
I didn't mean to.
You didn't mean to?
This isn't about you. This is about the Fire Nation.
Thanks, Zuko. That makes me feel all
Girl.
better.
I get you, but girl, he's got big things to do.
My dad and I came up with the plan together.
No.
We're gonna commandeer the gondola and we're gonna take a hostage with us so they won't cut the lines.
We'll never make it onto the
Good
island.
May.
There's too many
Oh, yeah.
stars.
My dad already thought of that. He said we'll need a distraction. That's why we're gonna start a prison riot.
The warden will still just cut the lines, even if we have a captain.
Then he'll be trapped out here.
The warden.
Is the captive?
Or that.
I have to go. I'll find you before
I'm
we
so
start.
nervous.
I
I'm
know.
even talking to everyone. All like the.
He's being very sneaky.
Hey,
and
you.
he's- Oh.
The warden wants to see you.
Why?
I don't know. I didn't ask.
Maybe I could schedule another time with him. Ask tomorrow.
He wants to see you now.
Oh no. Why would it be him?
Put him in the lineup.
Oh.
Do they all have? Is the Water Tribe the only ones with blue eyes?
I don't know. Because they all kind of have, hazel eyes.
That
Oh,
person
no.
is going to be in a lot of trouble.
Oh.
You are a.
Who is it?
Oh, he has.
blue eyes.
That's him, Warden. He's the imposter.
Oh, yes!
This is the rat.
The nasty one. Kick him off.
Oh yeah,
Kick him off.
yeah. That's, I forgot what he looked like. He's a liar.
I mean, I think out of that lineup, I could easily say it was probably Sokka.
You threw Chit Sang in the very cooler they used to escape.
It actually works out.
That was just a coincidence.
Sir, there's someone to see you.
Who told you to interrupt me?
Oh, no.
What the fuck?
Why the... Why,
Princess Azula.
Why?
oh, she probably found out that
It
Zuko's
was an
here.
honor to welcome you to the Fire Nation's
May's
most
here, so that
exemplary
makes
presence.
sense.
I didn't realize you were coming. It wasn't me. Quiet, you.
You're wasting your time. That's not one of them.
Oh my
How do
god,
you
why?
Because I'm a people person.
Oh, shut up.
Azula, please boil. Go boil.
We have to start a riot.
Okay, how do we...
Punch each other. Oh, gotta hit the biggest guy. It's
Wasn't
not
that
him.
chip
Shit
thing?
stain? Stop! No, God.
Oh, hey.
Oh shit.
What'd you do that for? That hurt my feelings.
Oh, he's a pacifist.
Well, normally I would be, but I've been learning to control my anger.
Good for you.
This isn't working.
Go find someone else.
You wouldn't happen to know how to start one, would you?
A prison riot? Please.
Oh, my beard.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my god!
Oh, that poor man.
Oh my god!
Riot!
That's how easy it. And then the fire. They just.
I guess.
They're not supposed to do fire bending.
Get back control of my anger. That's right.
Oh my god.
Why would y'all fight each
How does
other
it
though?
just doing it like.
I'm sorry, but I'm under direct orders from your uncle to make sure nothing happens.
Get off of me!
Oh, she just threw it.
Ooh, that doesn't look good, Zuko.
Yeah, that
I mean,
But you know what? He's got
I
to
know
do.
he has to do it.
Good. We're all here. Now all we need to do is grab the warden and get to the gondolas.
And how do we do that?
I'm not sure.
Okay, well that's great.
Hey, fellas, I think your girlfriend's taking care of it.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Good.
Look at the kitty! Damn! Get out of
She's
here!
got
Yes!
ankles. Yes,
And she's not even like a
Mom.
bender of any.
No,
any
she's
sort.
just a ferocious beast.
She's a grappler. Like,
Ooh, yes,
oh!
she is.
Oh!
You wouldn't dare.
Punch
Yes,
him.
she would.
Punch him.
Oh my gosh!
Sorry, Warden. You're my prisoner now.
Wow. I'm the captain. Damn.
Some girl.
Absolutely, she is.
I mean, he picked some good girls.
Facts.
Sokka has good
Facts.
taste.
He does have good taste. Okay, I'm like, how are you guys carrying him?
That
so
big
quickly?
man. Yes, Zuko. Yes, Zuko.
Back off. We've got the warden.
Mm.
Let's go.
Oh my god, but Azula!
Right.
Where that bitch?
Right, she's
she
gonna
always
just-
pops up at the worst time.
Oh no, her little friend, the little girl. Tiny,
Oh, are they already
tiny.
in there?
What are they? Oh, stop that.
Hello, Zuko.
Hello,
Hi
Zuko.
there.
Oh. Okay. Oh, there they come. There you
Oh
go.
my god.
And let's go.
Use a fire
Fire whip.
Fire whip.
Fire whip it.
Rope.
Best friends.
Girl, if he died, I could.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We're on our way.
Wait, who's that?
Oh, here we
That's a
go.
problem.
Shoot her.
It's my sister and her friend.
This is the point where you wish you had guns.
Yes. How? No. 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 No.
That's really cool, though.
You
I love
guys.
her. But I
But
hate
there's
her.
boiling water, and I mean, I'm nervous. Jeez. How in the hell? How? How? Why? How can a character be like this?
Rematch I've been waiting for.
That's right, bitch. You
Me too.
beat her up. Yes, together.
You guys, you're gonna be over
I will not
boiling
lie. I mean,
water.
they are pretty. This is pretty awesome. It is awesome what they're doing, but holy cow!
Like, you can still capture them and take them back. But, like,
Yeah.
let's just do it. Not
Cut
boiling
her
water.
hair off. I feel like
Ooh,
that
yeah.
would be a thing. That would
Her
be
power
closer.
would. She'd be Samson, just
Yes. That dumb blue fire.
sock out. You need to be back down.
Push
Like,
her into the boiling water. Jeez.
This is a good match, though.
Oh my god. No.
Well,
Oh. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's double team.
Teamwork.
Yes. It's so shiny. It's very
I know.
nice. Isn't
You
it?
should have just stopped her.
I
You
know.
had
I
that
know. Right? What the hell? Shut your mouth. She can't be that strong. That's so
She has
hard.
no friends. She has no life. All she's doing is training. So, oh, let's watch him
There's the
too.
warden. I see him.
Can he still firebend?
Oh, that's a good point.
Cut the line.
So you all can die?
Cut the line. But if we cut the line, there's no way he'll survive.
Yeah.
He knows that.
So what? You guys just want to die?
He doesn't want anyone escaping. He said
Oh
he'd
yeah,
rather
he'd say he's
boil.
good. That's you're right. What a nasty ass man.
He is a nasty man.
This is so stressful.
I'm like, my
This is
tummy
so
hurts.
stressful. Why?
Not to cut the line.
Well, they don't care. Azula. They don't even care about Azula
Yeah,
being
the
on
princess.
Then it's time to leave.
There. No. Can someone break her ankles or something? I mean,
Bye, Zuko.
hit your head somewhere. Jeez, throw your.
Shoot.
Oh,
Who's throwing?
May.
Me.
Doing?
Oh,
Saving the jerk who dumped me.
Oh, that's right. You have to do that.
just keep stabbing at them.
Good job. Good. Get her. Jeez.
All right, I respect
shit.
it. I respect me now.
How many of them does she? Oh my god.
She's like a hand of
How
death.
many of them does she have?
Well, that's a big dress, so I imagine.
Jeez.
Oh
There
my
you go.
gosh, she'll understand eventually.
It's me.
Oh.
What is she doing?
Not being your friend. You're gonna lose all your friends, girl. Okay, they made it
They
home
did
free.
it.
Now
They
run,
did.
run for your life.
Push the warden in.
How did they
Throw
get
him
off?
in.
Yeah, throw him in the water. Oh,
Oh man.
that would have been.
Sorry, Warden. Your record is officially broken.
Bitch. You dumb bitch.
Yeah.
Dumb bitch. You better jump in.
My sister was on that island.
Oh, so
Yeah, and she's probably right behind us, so let's not stop.
What I mean is she must have come here somehow.
Oh.
There. That's our way out of here.
okay, let's stop staring. Run.
What? It's so evil looking.
I know. Like, it's literally like.
Why would you do it? You know the consequences.
I guess you just don't know people as well as you think you do. You miscalculated. I love Zuko more than I fear you.
Ooh.
You miscalculated. You should have feared me more.
Excuse you.
Oh my god.
But
Oh
we
my
showed
god.
it. Oh.
That's right. That's right. That's right. Good girl. Oh.
That was the first distress.
Let's get out of here.
Yes.
Yeah. Your friend's
Oh, well,
crazy. Oh shit.
Your friends. See, you don't even have your friends.
Now you're alone, bitch.
What shall we do with them, princess?
Throw them in.
Somewhere I'll never have to see their faces again.
Damn.
Let them rot.
Damn. So now, oh shoot. Now I have to go back and get them.
No. they.
Zuko's like thanks, but that's all.
Sounds like a crazy fishing trip. Did you at least get some good meat?
I did. The best meat of all.
Ooh,
Meat of friendship.
Yes,
and
yes.
fatherhood.
Meat of friendship. Okay.
Oh. And this.
I'm you.
And you.
What's up, everybody?
I'm Bob.
Hi, Katara.
Oh. Yeah. See, now you can love Zuko because he helped.
Yeah.
We kind of went to a Fire Nation prison.
Yeah. So sweet.
Seriously, you guys didn't find any meat?
That's right.
Those are the important questions to ask, though. So.
Oh,
my
wow. And wow.
What an episode.
I mean, it was an intense episode. Part 1, Part 2. So now Azula's alone. Of course.
As she should be.
I mean, what does she expect? Like, she miscalculated human emotions.
Mm-hmm. Because she don't got none.
Yes, that is true. She's a sociopath. So she doesn't feel that part of it. No, she's a psychopath. No, sociopath.
She's crazy.
She's just
Has no
void
feelings.
of feelings.
Yeah. Or if she does have them, she suppressed them so far down there that there's just, ain't nothing gonna get them out.
I know. Well, that was scary. I didn't know at what point what was gonna happen.
Yeah.
Are they all gonna boil?
Girl, I was really hoping for that guy to boil. I
Me
mean, I know it's a
too.
kid's show, but
I know.
so I guess I
He
can't.
was even like, cut the line. He didn't care. Like,
With Princess on deck.
yeah.
Like,
If I was Azula, I'd throw him into the boiling
Yeah, I
water
would, I would.
at that point because he knew she was on there. And he was like, screw it.
I mean, clearly she could just Shazam herself
I
anywhere
know,
or scoop
with her
herself
own
with
jets.
hellfire, but like,
Goodness.
but still, like, you don't do that to the princess, so
I know.
you're dead. You're
Wow.
dead, man.
Well, this was it was awesome.
Mm-hmm.
This was really, really, really good.
Yeah.
And I'm just, whew, I'm trying to wrap my mind
Yeah.
around what we just watched.
You gotta take a breather because that was really action packed and
Yeah.
I mean, they did it. Dad's
They
out
did,
and
they did.
Suki's out, which is great.
Yeah.
So now it's just getting everyone else. I'm imagining, or actually, I don't know where they're going to be at. Where they're going next.
I don't know either. And it looks like, I don't know, the thumbnail doesn't look too good with Katara.
Oh yeah, no, that does not look good.
And Aang.
Ooh, drama.
There's always drama. It's like, come on guys, let's finish this up and then have our outbursts drama afterwards. Because people are dying and the world's coming. Sozin's comet on its
Girl.
way. And then, there's no time for this. But they're kids.
They're humans. We all have emotions.
True.
So. Okay, but yeah, great job.
Yeah,
Crew.
May did a great job.
Yeah, and Tylee, yeah.
did a great job. Zuko, Sokka. I mean, Sokka came up with so many awesome plans, and just him and his dad are both very smart.
Yeah.
Like, wow.
That's so hot to me. I'm sorry, I will say that. Like smart people, like not like who I'm smart, but like they'll just on the spot just think of something like, okay, we gotta try this.
It's attractive.
Yeah. It's very
Being a capable, just a capable
Yeah.
person, it's a reliable person, it's attractive. And Sokka really these 2 episodes were really Sokka. I mean, I know Zuko had a big play, he had a part in it too, but Sokka's like mine.
Yeah, this was kind of Sokka episode, which is cool because he needs more credit.
He does.
He's amazing,
and he's amazing. But it's teamwork. It's always teamwork. You need always like people to like help keep it going. And we got a new friend, the new dude.
Chit saying.
Chit saying?
No, Chit saying. Chit saying.
We got him, and he's great. He'll fit in, I think, with the crew.
Got some more muscle on the team.
Yes.
That's important. And he's a firebender, which is also really cool.
That's
so,
true.
I don't know how long he'll actually stay with them. I don't remember.
Yeah.
But at least that's an ally.
True.
That's an ally.
That's
So.
a good point. But
Okay, guys. Well, that's it.
Yeah.
It's good stuff.
We'll see you guys next week for another reaction.
Hey.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Can't forget about your face now, your style and your grace now. There's clearly no debate now. You're solving second base now.